My dear students, today we are discussing about the infection. So, what is the infection and how to diagnosis of infections, and the next one, which type of infections occur in our body, and the next one, what is the root of infection? Now we discuss. So, first of all, infection definition. So, infection it is defined as a the invasion and multiplication of microorganisms, invasion multiplication of microorganisms, such as what are their bacteria, virus, fungi, yeast, molds, and etc etc. So these are all not in normal our body, not in normally normally in the body. So infection may cause the no symptoms. The infection cause the no symptoms, but it be a subclinical is known as the infections. So the infection is occurs with the microorganisms, parasites like bacteria, virus occur, and multiplications are occur in our body, and increase their growth is known as the infection. So the infection it is occurs in the especially most of the infection occurs in the children's compared than the adults. And the diarrheal infection, these infections are occur in our body. So how to diagnosis of them, techniques for the diagnosis of infective agents. Techniques for diagnosing infective agents. So which type of techniques are occur in our body? So in our body, different types of techniques are available for the detection of the infective agents. Like we are already discussed about the size of the bacteria, depends upon the size, depends upon the shape, depends upon the structure, depends upon the activity. We are determining the infective agents, detecting the infective agents. And the next one, the infective agents are the agents are best visualized by the special strain techniques. These special strain techniques also, like what are there, that including gram staining technique, gram positive and gram negative staining technique, acid fast staining technique, simple staining technique. These techniques identify the staining techniques, especially determine the causing agents. And the next one, depends upon the size, depends upon the shape, depends upon the structure, depends upon the activity, depends upon the conditions. We are determining the different types of microorganisms, or we are identified. And the next one depends upon the classification, depends upon the classes also we are determining, so this is the techniques for the determination of the infections. And what is the roots of infection? Roots of infection means, for example, infection occur here. This is the infection. The infection entering into the cells. These are all are the cells. So which type of cells? Skin cells, throat, lungs, intestine, urinary tract. So this is the cells. After that, these are the entering into the lymph nodes. So this is the lymph node. For example, this is the lymph node cell. So this is a lymph nodes, lymph glands. So the lymph node to entering into the transfer to the lymphatic vessel to blood stream. This is the blood vessels. These are all are the, for example, this is the blood vessel, blood stream. So in the cell, which type of diseases occur in the skin, throat, lungs, intestine, urinary tract? In influenza virus, diphtheria and Shigella diseases are occur here. Once entering into the bloodstream, which type of diseases occur here? Dengue, malaria, typhoid. These type of diseases are occur with the microorganisms are entering into the bloodstream. So in entering into the bloodstream, it is transferred to the central nervous system, means brain, and the next one it transferred to the skin, and the next one transferred to the lungs. The blood is transferred to the kidney. The blood is transferred to the salivary gland. So in here, which type of diseases occur here? And the next one, the blood is transferred to the liver also. So here in the liver, with the microorganisms, it produces the hepatitis B and yellow fever is occur. In case of salivary gland, mumps occur. In case of lungs, it is a pneumonia, measles occur. And in the skin, chicken pox occur. In the central nervous system, poliomyelitis. These type of disorders are occur with the different types of roots are there entering into in our body. So infection is occur here, entering into here. Then next one transfer to the lymph nodes to bloodstream, and it distributed throughout our body in the each and every organ. So that microorganism cause the different types of diseases in the different types of organs. This is about the roots and the infection definition, and as well as the techniques for the diagnosis of infection. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.